My name is Sofia Lyfar, dancer. I'm from Ukraine. And welcome to the 6th lesson of my new project Bellydance from Zero to Infinity. We already learned hip circles and horizontal 8. And to make it all together, today we are going to dance 3 combinations which you can use in your improvisations and choreographies. Let's start from warming up our body.
زمان قالوا عالحب واللي جابوه قالوا يا قشطة قالوا عالحب واللي جابوه شوقني ودلعني وصل.
First combination looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me explain it. We are starting from horizontal position. Now I'm looking to the left side. I'm standing on left leg, my right leg. Now are going to make preparation for the big hip circle. Let's make it. So I'm bending it and then making a small circle in the air. So 1, 2. Then to make a big hip circle, remember, we need to push our back forward. Then I'm going to diagonal. Look, I'm stretching my right knee a little bit to make it more amplitude. Then when I'm going back, my knees are stretched. And here I will make one horizontal 8 in. In this position it's more harder, but you can make it if you practice a lot. So 1, 2. It's no explanation for this movement because I'm only drawing a hip horizontal 8 in, like here, but in other position. So we have only one horizontal 8 in from left side. 1, 2. When I made it, I continue doing hip circle, big hip circle, and then I'm turning forward. And here I will make one horizontal 8 with little plie out. 1, 2. Okay, let's make it again with explanations slowly. So, preparation, big hip circle, horizontal 8 in, continue doing hip circle, turning, and one horizontal 8 out with plie. Great, now about our arms. First, when I'm starting to make it, my arms are here doing little wave with fingers. Then, when my knees are stretched and I'm in this position, my arms are forward and then still doing this way. Then when I did my horizontal 8, my arms going up, horizontal position here, and when I'm turning and making horizontal 8 out, they are still here. So down, down, and then horizontal. Let's make it faster, 2 more times. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 horizontal 8. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great. This movement, this combination is a lot of practice and you can make it. Let's go to the second. Now, second combination. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again with explanations. It's a little bit not usual, not common combination. We can use it in folklore styles, it's more valid combination, but you can also use it in your improvisations. So, first I'm making small circle with my hips with plie. 1, I'm pushing my hips forward, my knees are in closed position, my lower back and my belly button are in. So 1, and when I came to the right diagonal, I'm making more plie. So 1, more plie, and I'm making my back from in out. It's not bad for your health, it's only for movement to make it. So it don't have any bad things that it doesn't make for your health. Let's make it again, pushing my hips forward, diagonal, and making plie. Look, my position, my left leg, I'm making it on railway. It's more comfortable for me. So, and in this this position, I will make like I'm drawing an arc. Pretend that it's arc, and we need to draw it. It's not a usual horizontal 8. It's horizontal 8, but with little vertical. So, but I'm trying to make it more horizontal. From this position, make an arc to do it here and to continue doing it in. It's a little bit hard for now, but practice it with me and repeat it a lot of times. So, hip circle, play here, arc, then I'm continue doing it with one horizontal 8 in. So it's a half and then normal 1. And when I did my right side, from left side I'm making a small hip circle with steps with which I will make a turning. I say that it's more hardest combination, but it's very interesting. So 1, 2, right step, left step. I'm turning to the left side and to the right side. One more time from beginning. And with arms. Here arms you can make how you want, however you want. I'm making improvisation arms. So let's make it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also we can make it in different tempo. Now I did like this, but I can make also like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and more slowly. So however you want. And last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great. Practice it, and let's go to the last combination for today. And the last combination for today looks like this. It's very logical, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me explain you. First, I'm making like a big circle, but it's not. It's a half of. So first to the right side, 1, and then the same to the left, 2. So it's the first forward part of our big circle movement. Again, 1, 2. Then from the left side, I'm starting to make horizontal 8 out with my right hip, from my right hip. 3, 4. And now you can see how my position of my legs changed. It was here 1, 2, 3, 4. So my right leg going near to the left. When I made with left leg, with left hip, the last of my horizontal 8 out, I'm making again a like big hip circle back, but it's not a big hip circle. It's the part of this. 1, 2. So here was 1, 2, and 1, 2. Very logical, like I said. So we are starting from right to left, and from left side we are going to make a horizontal 8, but now in. Let's make it again. This is the principle. Half of big circle forward, 1, 2, then horizontal 8 out, 1. Then half a big circle back, 1, 2, then horizontal 8 in, 1. Very logical. Let's make it now with arms. My arms are 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 1, 2, 3, 4. So horizontal, up, up, horizontal, up, up. And let's make it last time to repeat it and to practice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great. You can see that these combinations are not simple. They are hard, but if you will practice it a lot, you can make it and you can use it. Also, they're similar to each other because they consist of two movements which we have learned in our two last lessons, big hip circle and small hip circle and horizontal 8. So you need to practice it to make it better and better. And I wish you to see you on the next lesson. It was 6th lesson of my new project Bellydance from 0 to Infinity. Thank you for watching. Bye!